Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am going to talk to you about the evening. So, watch and listen. The time is 5 p.m., early evening. The day is a Monday, and the weather outside is cloudy. So, the first thing I do in the evening is I leave my work. I leave my work and I get in to my red car, cool car, and I drive home. This is my home where I live. So I leave my work and I drive home. After I arrive home from my work, I get dressed. So I take off I take off my work clothes, the clothes I wear at work. I take off, then I put on my evening clothes. In the evening, I put on, not that, I put on or I wear a t-shirt, a comfy t-shirt, and comfy trousers and comfy socks for my feet. These are the clothes I wear or put on for the evening. After I get changed, I change my clothes. I make dinner. I make dinner. This evening, I am going to make carbonara. Carbonara is a pasta dish from Italy. To make carbonara, first get a pot, a big pot, and put water in the pot. Then put the pot on a flame. This is to heat or boil this water. Add salt, sprinkle or add salt into the water. Then put in your pasta, your spaghetti. Spaghetti is the type of pasta used for carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. As you wait for your spaghetti to cook. Crack some eggs into a bowl. Then grate some cheese with a grater and put the cheese into the same bowl as the eggs and whisk. Mix this up. Mix it with a whisk or a fork. I like to use a fork. Fry, so cook bacon in a frying pan so it is crispy. When the spaghetti is ready, take out the water, so drain the water out of the pasta. Put the spaghetti in the pot and so put in your egg and cheese mixture and cut your bacon into small pieces and put the bacon into the pot. No flame, no heat, no. And stir this up. This is how I make carbonara. After I make carbonara, I eat carbonara. Tastes really good. So now I clean my dishes. Clean. After I eat my dinner and clean my dishes, I make a cup of tea. To make a cup of tea, first boil some water. Put your water into a kettle and switch the kettle on. This will boil, blub, 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 blub. So heat up your water until your water is hot. Hot. Then take your teapot put in 2 tea bags tea bags. Then add your hot water and wait. Wait roughly 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, your tea will brew. Then your tea will be ready to drink. So pour your tea into your cup and drink. Very tasty. So after my cup of tea, I go for a walk. I walk in the park. When the weather is good. When the weather is not nice, when it rains, I'm sad and I do not walk in the park. Instead, I watch television. I watch television. Or I read a book. So when it rains, I don't walk, no, I watch television or read a book. After I finish walking or watching television or reading a book, I go to my bed. I go to my bed and go to sleep. This is my evening routine. What is your evening routine? Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.